This is الدرس السابع عشر of كتاب أدوات الربط, lesson 17 of the connectors. And in this lesson, we're looking at drill 1, تمرين واحد. Now, in this drill, you're going to use some of the phrases that are found on pages 126 and 127 of your book. These are phrases like من اليسير أن, it is easy to, من الصعب أن, it is difficult to, etc. You're going to need to look at that list in order to fill in the blanks here, because here you're not actually working on the connector, but you're working with the phrase that is part of the connector. So here we can say من البlank أن الأرض تدور حول الشمس. It is obvious that the earth revolves around the sun. So here the phrase "it is obvious" or "it is clear" or "it is necessary." These phrases you can find on pages 126 and 127 of your book. Now, I'm going to go through the Arabic here so that you understand each sentence, and then you can place the appropriate word where it belongs. In number 2 here we have ليس من البlank أن ينجح في الامتحان. It is not blank that to succeed in the exam. 3 من البlank أن نستعير الكتب من مكتبة الجامعة. It is blank to borrow books from the university library. 4 من البlank أن العرب كانوا أول من استعمل الصفر. It is blank that the Arabs were the first to use 0. 5 كان من البlank أن أقضي إجازتي الصيفية في أوروبا. It was blank that that I spend my summer vacation in Europe. 6 من البlank أن صرف المكافآت يشجع العاملين. It is blank that compensating or dispersing compensation makes workers or motivates workers. Number 7 كان من البlank أن تعرض السكرتيرة كل الأوراق على المدير. It was blank that the secretary should display all of the papers to the supervisor, or to show all of the papers to the supervisor. 8 من البlank أن هذا القرار سوف يعمل به بعد نشره في الجريدة الرسمية. It is blank that this decision will be implemented after it's being published in the official newspaper. Number 9 ليس من البlank أحيانا أن تحل مشاكل الآخرين ولكن من البlank أن تحل مشاكل نفسك. It is not blank sometimes to solve the problems of others, but it is blank to solve the problems of yourself. 10 من البlank أن الحقيبة ضاعت في المطار. It is blank that the bag was lost in the airport. 11 من البlank أن الفيتامينات ضرورية لجسم الإنسان. It is blank that vitamins are necessary for the human body. 12 من البlank أن اللغة العربية تكتب من اليمين إلى الشمال It is blank that the Arabic language is written from right to left. So hopefully that helps you place the words correctly in the blanks that fit the context. مع السلامة.